DOGELONMARS sitting at 143,000 holders, family. So it's been constantly growing right here. You can see kind of fell off a little bit around the holidays, man. But again, last time I actually checked this total address statistic, it was about at 140,000. So now it's sitting north of 143,000 on its way to 144,000. So I think that's something to be said as we continue to grow within the bear market, within all of the negativity, contagion, and even macro environment, recessionary environment. We're seeing the Elon token and the Elon community still grow. And family, I got a great door-to-door video for you guys that I made yesterday, man. I finally found a person that was familiar with the DOGELONMARS token and actually has been holding it for years. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like them type of videos, and also leave a comment. It helps the algorithms. You can see here on the daily chart, we clearly broke the downtrend and now we're on the uptrend. The RSI looks like it wants to be on the uptrend, and we're getting a reversal here on the MACD, which are all bullish metrics as we look for the next move to the upside. Now these are the daily charts, not a small time frame, but you can look here also from the weekly charts. You can see again we broke the downtrend, so we are in the stage of accumulation. Anything right here from 6022 to 6072 is a stage of accumulation if this is the official floor and bottom, which was about 6022. So it's good to know that we broke that downtrend. It looks like we want to put on a double bottom here, which could be a very bullish, but this could easily turn into a head and shoulders pattern and take us to a next leg down. Now throughout the video, I'm gonna explain both angles, why we can see a little bit more pain within the crypto market and why we can see even a relief rally before we actually see that pain. But again, I didn't pull the metrics here up as far as RSI and MACD, but I just want to show you, family, on the weekly charts. We are beginning to print green candles on the weekly, and if we get 3 white soldiers in a row, that could be extremely bullish for the Elon token. So for the people that's been doubting this token, hard to doubt a project in meme coin that's been around, set at about $158 million market cap, and you can see here the volume is well over $1 million each day. So I think everybody should continue to be confident as you see these exchange and these reserves, all these guys, all these client reserves 1-in-1 means a lot of people do hold Elon. And it even gave me even more confidence out there in work yesterday, being able to meet somebody that was fully invested not just into crypto but also the Elon token. So I just thought that was huge development, family. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Also keep your mind on Dogecoin, because Dogecoin and Elon has some type of weird correlation here. You can see Doge is sitting at about 10 cents and it's up almost 10% on the day. So I haven't did a technical analysis on Dogecoin, but you can see we did get that huge move to the upside from 9 cents to 10 cents. So again, just keep your eye out on this project. Not financial advice, not telling anybody to ape into either one of these projects, but you want to keep your eye. As you can see, it's 1 million people on the watch list. And even here, family, we can go to Elon, and you can see here, we move this up, that we actually have about 300,000 less people on the watch list. So almost the same amount of people on the watch list. So you can see the correlation here with Dogecoin, and many people within the crypto space, they kind of look for the better opportunity as far as market cap, where you don't have to take that risk of investing in something like a small cap, but you can still get them potential gains with something like an Elon token, because it's not at a $1 billion market cap. So it's still a lot of potential to 10x and even 50x, family, if we get some good conditions within the market. Also, you know, it could be bullish because the possible integration of Doge as a payment method for people to buy the Twitter Blue subscription. So if you know, a lot of people been getting the white check, the blue check, but if Elon can integrate, he said he's been working with Doge developers, he can integrate something like Doge as a payment method. It could be huge for the project. I'm not gonna give no potential or price predictions, but just know if that integration does happen, that could be huge for both projects as Elon pushes the narrative of stuff like scientific research, health, and also anti-aging here. Let's refresh. All right, Okay, so the market is open. We're getting a little movement from the S&P down, NASDAQ, which has been in a correlation as for tech stocks as well as Bitcoin. So that could be huge while we're starting to see a little bit of moves to the upside from some of these alt coins. And the DXY, again, is putting in a lower low, as you can see right here. It's just been on a downtrend since it peaked in September. So that poses the question, family, did inflation peak in September? Because we're seeing this strength of the dollar show that it may have peaked in September. So maybe we get that relief rally, but we're not out of the water yet, because we gotta explain some of the things that we are facing as far as a potential capitulation still, and even contagion in the market. I found this interesting chart here from my boy Kale. Make sure you subscribe to the Kale Show, and he was explaining the adoption curve, man, and he asked a lot of people, and I want to ask y'all, what stage do you think we are in the adoption stage for crypto and also Bitcoin? But you can see here, this guy Farmer, he actually made a good point. He says today Bitcoin has about 106 million unique users. Earth has about 8 billion people. Bitcoin is at 1.325% global adoption. If you chart the curve, you are here. So give yourself a pat on the back if you are an early innovator. I mean, we're in the innovator stage. We're not even the early adopters. We're in the innovation stage of crypto adoption, man. So just imagine once the laggards catch up and everybody starts using blockchain technology, etc., etc., this could be huge in the future, and you could see huge gains in a price appreciation. But let me know in the comments, where do you think we're at on the adoption curve? We're starting to see a little bit of movements to the upside from the crypto space. Ethereum finally over 1200, Bitcoin looking to cross 16.5 into 17k, and hopefully we can get that Tether repeg. Me personally, I'm looking for Tether to completely capitulate, because I know it will spawn beautiful opportunities within the space as far as the bottom, and maybe we get that true bottom here, as we've been seeing. 88 Whale posted, he said, I work in a large financial firm, and over the last year I've seen crypto related job titles internally grow at a fast rate. Institution adoption is happening, but not always advertised. Suspect once traditional actors have been clawed their way in, crypto sentiment changes 180 degrees. So once we see them, a lot of those stock people that right now are trying to, sugar honey iced tea shit on the crypto, people like us, once you see those people start to crawl back inside the market, you would expect a crypto sentiment to change. And we're seeing adoption behind the scenes from stuff like Google, Chainlink, and payment systems, all type of different adoption that we're seeing behind the stage. So I think that could be huge. Swift, that's what I was thinking. It's Chainlink and the Swift payment system. So yeah, today is a good day to start building your portfolio and looking at the narratives that might be around in the next bull cycle. So keep that in mind, family. But why does CoinCodex have the bear market lasting well into Q4 2023? You can see the Bitcoin price prediction in the next year is 15,000, family. So that's crazy, right? Because right now we're at 16,000. So Millie, what's going on? We got 1 month prediction, 3 month prediction, 6 month prediction. But why are we seeing a flat year? And believe it or not, a lot of experts believe the year will be flat, because we have to see the federal fund rate actually peak. That way we can get a pause. We have to see some capitulation within the credit market. Credits, people can't be able to pay their credit bills, the car loan industry and stuff like that, and also the real estate. So again, once we see a lot of these things become broke, when in general, when the Fed breaks something, I'm saying, you could potentially see that Fed pivot. But until then, usually when the Fed pivots or pause, we see that quick drop to the bottom, because that's the point where a lot of the big players, a lot of the retail, a lot of people literally just run out of money and start prioritizing responsibilities over investing. So just keep this in mind. Not saying this might happen, may happen, but you just want to always be prepared for the worst. We seen that a lot of people's KuCoin has been trending, and that's interesting, because they're offering these crazy APRs on stuff like ETH, BNB, Matic. Now this could be a glitch because a lot of people call it a glitch, but then some people say, hey man, get your money off KuCoin, get your money off these exchanges before they implode, because there's no way you can be able to offer this type of APR in these type of bear market environments. So, you know, if these exchanges continue to kind of like go down and capitulate, we also will be able to birth new prices and things of that. And furthermore, to the downside, Capital Investments, Charles Edwards, famous, yesterday said hash ribbons have confirmed the beginning of capitulation triggered by the 10 billion FTX scam subsequent collapse. Bitcoin miners are now going broke and the hash rate is trending down. Now, if you don't know what the hash rate is, that just tells you how strong the security is within the Bitcoin system. Because of the whole FTX situation, people have lost confidence, and it's now costing miners more to actually mine a Bitcoin than the actual price, which is causing these guys to go broke because they can't afford to continue to mine Bitcoin. So, you know, again, that could cause us to go down to the next leg down. It says traditionally, though, I want y'all to keep this in mind, miner capitulation has lasted 48 days, which, you know, means that would put us in right in around the mid-January 2023, where we see the complete floor as far as miner capitulation. So again, another metric, you know, giving you insight on how long these capitulations and contagion moments actually last in the space. So they say, you know, we get 48 days. So if this just started, you feel me, and we got another 48 days of this will put us in mid-January. And again, that's probably when you start to see that relief rally all the way up to the Fed pivot or pause, and then that's when people might use that opportunity, because everything's going to be in the green. Maybe Bitcoin gets to 30K, 35, 40K, and then we see boom, that floor, because people just sell off with the fear of everything falling off the table. And that's, family, when we actually get that that true bottom and true fall. So it's always a fake out before you actually get that floor. And you can confirm this through the crypto market cycle graph. Make sure you go do your own research and just look at it yourself. Ryan Selkis here says, as much as I'd like to see a sharp recovery in the prices, you generally have many months to buy within the 25% of the cycle bottom. So don't rush it, man. Not financial advice. There is no rush here. These bottom cycles literally last months. So many people get into space and try to rush it, think they can just buy everything at one point and thinking that's the bottom, and then boom, we see another 30%, 40% down, and they sell, and then boom, you see that bull cycle start. So don't get caught into the emotion of investing. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like pay attention to the facts, the metrics. Make sure you follow the channel for the likes, for the updates, and like and subscribe. So you guys let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna close out the video with this right here. So it says, if the bottom was 3K in 2020 and the bottom is 15K now, that means you do the math. That means the high was 65K. The high in the next bull cycle will be 150K. So what's that, about a 20x? So you're getting a 20x from the bottom, about 22, maybe 21, 22x from the bottom on Bitcoin. Okay, so again, and you can correlate the same percentage with some of your favorite altcoins. Even $500 you're investing could eventually become 5K. Start DCA, and not financial advice. So you can't time the bottom, but you can DCA on the way down. It doesn't have to be nothing large. You can put small increments, but just set yourself up, man, for the greatness that's about to be coming in the near future with the bull cycle. And that's all I have for you guys. Just a quick update and roundtable what's going on inside the crypto space. Let me know when y'all think is the true bottom, and I also want to know in the comments when y'all think the bull cycle will start. That's how I know you watched the video to the end. It's your boy SoapGuys TV, Millie. I'm out.